Hi everyone, so welcome back to another tutorial from the eye makeup series, and today you will learn another new eye makeup. And firstly, I am taking the brown eyeshadow, depositing it over the outer edges in the direction of V with the help of flat applicator brush, blending it, again taking the darkest brown color, giving more depth, depositing it over crease line, giving more depth to the color, taking the big blending brush and the lightest brown color, blending this dark color and crease line. Again taking the smudge brush, applying the dark color to the crease line, blending it. Again taking the big blending brush, blending the color till get the natural effect, applying the concealer till the client to see the terrace and you will get the guideline. Taking the fine liner brush, draw a cut, this is the another way to create the hollow eye. Draw a cut, taken the concealer brush from the brand Pro Art and the concealer from the brand Forever 52 with shade number C0V001. Till then we did the half cut crease. Now taking the pink eyeshadow, depositing it over the cut, as you can see. This is not a hollow eye, it's an half cut crease eye with brown and pink color. using the liquid glitter in the color pink. Here is the look after lashes. You can see how beautiful the cut visible. Now after applying the kajal in the color white to the lower lash line, going to do the under eye smudging with the help of smudging brush and the same color darkest brown as you can see in the video. Now applying the mascara from the brand Maybelline Colossal, applying it to the lower lashes of the eye. So here is the complete look in front of you. If you have any query, you can directly comment in the comment section. Till then, bye bye, take care, we'll meet in next tutorial.